Wes, as usual.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Doug.
This is the second time we've done a night ride. I wasn't here for the first one. I know a lot of you guys were. Obviously, being nighttime, there's different hazards. Please keep your eyes open. Watch out for the people around you. Watch out for people walking, spotting. It's hard to see them at night. It's been raining. There'll be a lot of mud, I'm sure, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, there'll be a lot of mud. So be careful. You can start sliding. Shit happens quick. Sorry, stuff happens quick. So just be very aware, especially being nighttime. This is our first ride for this year, for the season. So rock on.
Guys, we're out here wheeling, and as you may notice, it's dark. We're out here with the Hudson Valley four-wheelers, and we're doing a night run. So I've never done anything like this before. If you look ahead of us, it's pretty cool. I'm very excited to go try it out, see how all the equipment works, and have a good time. I'm sure it's not going to be the most hardcore wheeling we've ever done, but I'm sure it will be a good time.
What's nice is it ain't pretty like your guys, so if it does bang into a tree, it's okay.
I don't know.
reaching our stride. I've got the lights installed and all wired up today, and those are really paying off. I wouldn't have done this without them, I think. And we had someone go beam, fix that. I had my coil coming loose. That was addressed. And hopefully we've got a little bit more smooth sailing now. Maybe I'll winch from here.
I think I'm steering out of that. Hey, lock, is it locked?